So, Miss Elizabeth Oropesa. So, naganap na po kanina ang ating state funeral at tribute kay Miss Nora Honor after around 4 days of wait. So, ano pong masasabi ninyo sa pagkawala niya, and were you able to watch the tribute streamed live?
She deserved the state funeral. She's a very good actress and we've known each other since we were young. I mean, I'm talking about when she was just starting.
Yes.
Ako, I haven't even started. Kasi pareho kaming taga Bicol.
O nga po, Oragon.
Oo. So, I know her very well. Ako kasi, hindi ako yung tipong masyadong maingay at masalita tungkol sa mga friendship o yung mga personal lives namin. Katulad nung kay Maricel, hindi nila alam. Yung kay Guy, hindi ako nagpunta sa funeral. Talagang sinadya ko yon kasi wala naman siya ron eh. Diretso yung mga katulad niya sa langit.
Nga po.
Oo, kasi she's a very special person, you know. So, I didn't have to go there. But of course, I prayed for her.
Ano po yung mamimiss nyo sa kanya? Bukod sa syempre yung kanyang golden voice, yung...
yung golden voice, matagal na kasing nawala yun eh.
Oo nga po 10 years na.
Oo of course, yung personality niya. Kasi never a dull moment with Guy. Never a dull moment with Guy. And I think she's very generous with other co-actors. I'm talking about the new ones pagdating sa pagtuturo kung paano yung pag-arte. So nakakamiss yung katulad niya. Let's face it, icon na yun, hindi ba? Nakakamiss. Marami ng kabarangay ko ang nawawala. Nakakalungkot.
Si Haji, di ba? You've heard, Haji Alejandro, even the Pope.
Yes,
My
yes,
God.
ang dami na talaga. So I'm thankful that we were able to do a lot of things together when they were still alive. Maski pa si Tita Pilits, si Haji.
Yes.
Lahat sila, lalo na si Guy.
Yeah. Last question na lang po about Nora. Can you take us back nung una niyo siyang nakilala? Yung impression nyo, how she made you feel, ganyan po.
She's like a child, you know. When we met, para yung bata, hindi siya masyadong gregarious pagdating sa pag-share ng kanyang feelings. Very few people really knows how sad she can be. Akala lang ng mga tao, ang daming tao nakapaligid sa kanya, ang saya-saya niya palagi. Hindi totoo yun. So, marami kaming pinagdaanan, small bits and pieces of her life that became a part of mine. So, karamihan hindi ko pwede ikwento kasi personal.
Okay lang po. Yeah.
So, yun. Nagpaalam na ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, sige, sana hindi kami magkita soon.
Sana
matagal pa.
Opo. May you live more, 100 more years.
Yeah, well, 100
Why not, diba?
Yes.
Oh, and so, thank you po regarding sharing your memories and opinions regarding Miss Nora Honor.
It's my pleasure. I'm honored that you asked me when it comes to Guy.
Yes po. So, ano na lang po, tell us na lang, final na about your expectations for Fatherland na showing in cinemas nationwide right now, na mag-celebrity screening now, and yung upcoming projects niyo po.
Ang ganda nitong The Fatherland kasi ang producer pati nito, he went all out. Hindi siya yung nangiming maglabas ng enough budget para sa... you're famous pala. Anyway, yan. Kaya congratulations sa mga artistang involved dito sa pelikula ito. And the producer here, same producer na namin dun sa pelikula The Graduation Day. Yun, katatapos ko lang noon.
Nang shoot. It's not okay. Shooting, so we'll be watching out for that.
Then,
yeah.
But I think they will show a film clip of one of the movies that I just finished, the one that we made in Siargao. Meron kaming ginawa yung Unconditional. Halos pareho ng artista. Ang ganda rin nun. Ang ganda ng mga pelikulang magkakasunod. I promise you. I promise you, you will not regret watching these movies. Yung tatlo at least. Yun, yung dalawang natapos ko. kakasunod dyan.
Sige po. I'm sure yung mga followers sa channel ko will be excited to watch those.
I still go diving. Pero pagod na ako sa photography. I don't compete anymore. I just dive.
Ano po, curious lang ako. Saan yung pinakamalalim? Or ano yung pinakamalalim na na-dive nyo?
Well, depende yun. Kasi Palau is a big place. But the last time I went diving was in Mexico. I went to Mexico to dive with the hammerheads. And misconception yung akala ng mga tao, ang hammerheads ay nasa pinakamalalim na part ng dagat. Hindi. Nasa mababaw sila. Actually, you have to look up to see them. You're down below, then you look up to see the hammerheads. Yan, ganyan.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Very nice to see you.
For sharing the
again.
trivia, diba?
Okay.
Sana may mga divers na ano dito.
Oo nga, sana.
Sige po.